already saw some gray skies out there early this morning, Rob. So maybe we'll get some action early today.
You know, and that wouldn't be the worst thing, because if we did get some showers early, it'll slow the temperatures down from the get-go. The more we wait for the showers like we did yesterday when it took till 5, 6, 7 o'clock in spots to get the rain, then you have all that real hot and real humid. And while maybe the temperatures didn't get as high yesterday as it did previous couple of days when we had more sunshine, it was still up over 90 for quite a few hours, and it was still really, really humid. So for today, I think hopefully we've got a better chance to get a little something going on early. I see a couple of spots where we've got a couple of showers this morning. Most of it is right up against the coast in Wakulla County, south of Highway 98, but trying to spread maybe up towards Highway 319. And we'll see these showers try to keep pushing to the north and to the west, and that'll likely be the direction most of the showers come from today, spiraling in from south and east towards the north and west. So I do think decent shots for showers, and more often and compared to what we had yesterday, but we need to get those showers going, otherwise it's going to be real hot, real humid. 76 this morning in Tallahassee, 75, Valdosta 73 in Thomasville. Got a decent little breeze out there trying to stir things up. It's so humid, so some patchy fog got to be expected. Alligator Point's checking in at 81, by the way. It's the warm spot. We've got a lot of 74s, 5s, and 6s out there, which is not uncommon for the end of July. That breeze from the east and southeast, noticeable at times, doing a pretty good job. Some fog has been trying to form. We saw a couple of spots where visibility's dropped down to about 1.5 miles. Right now, they're all better than 6 miles, so we're doing okay with that. The overall pattern across the southeast, it's changing ever so slowly and subtly. That big moisture is starting to work its way more west. That energy that's starting to help that moisture bring us the showers, that's also moving west, and that's what we see here with the whites and the purples and the blues on the water vapor imagery. All that deep layer moisture starting to scooch out towards the panhandle and over towards Alabama and Mississippi and Louisiana. And there is some drier air. That's what the orange color on the water vapor imagery shows us, but that's way off to our north and east, and maybe we get a little tiny bit of that over the weekend to thin out some of the clouds and give us a little bit more of a brighter look to the sky, but that will also contribute to more hot for the weekend. Now, on our Futurecast for today, I do see some showers pinwheeling through. Listen, this is not all day nonstop rains. 70% chance for rain doesn't mean it rains 70% of the time or in 70% of the area. That's not what that means. It means during that time frame, wherever you're standing, there's a 7 in 10 chance that you get a couple of showers. That's all it means. And our setup for today is more of the scattered showers, hopefully in more places. And I think tomorrow we can still have some of the scattered showers, but they're going to start becoming, I think, noticeably more few and far between. And as that heads into the weekend, we start watching those temperatures go up, up, and away. And boy, are they going to go up, up, and away, especially if we end up with fewer showers, more confined to the afternoon hours only this weekend. The tropics, always worth watching, especially as we get closer to August, when usually business starts to pick up a little bit. I see some areas of showers out there across the Atlantic and across parts of the Caribbean, but nothing that's really showing any promise or any signs of life. And even this one little hiccup that we started watching a couple of days ago, now that it works its way a little bit more to the west, still unlikely that it's going to turn into anything. But remember, it doesn't have to, right? As long as you have that extra moisture and you have a little some energy to shake those showers from the clouds, you can enhance the rain chances and impact the forecast. And that's what we saw yesterday. That's what we'll see again today. And that's what more areas along the Gulf Coast will see for the next couple of days. I think we start waving goodbye to it after today. Now, on the Gulf, winds will be out of the southeast and south up to about 18 knots, so a little breezy. The showers try this morning. They still try this afternoon. We'll put the rain chances like 60 or 70%. 90 is still in play. And then tonight, eventually the showers fizzle. The muggy doesn't go anywhere just yet, and the clouds will linger a bit. I think we can get some showers on Friday, but we start to confine them a little bit more to the afternoons this weekend. And look where the temperatures go. Big hot is what I'm going to be using to describe those temperatures, especially for Sunday and Monday.